Meaning of inquisitor.
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 Inquisitor. The word inquisitor refers to a person who conducts an official inquiry or investigation, often with regards to religious or political matters. Inquisitors were notorious for their use of harsh methods to extract confessions from accused individuals, including torture and execution. The term is often associated with the Spanish Inquisition, which was established in the late 15th century to identify and punish heretics and other dissenters. Today, the term inquisitor is sometimes used more broadly to describe someone who is excessively questioning or interrogating, often in a confrontational manner.